If you are planning to study abroad in 2026, Germany is probably on your shortlist. And for good reason. Low tuition, world-class universities, wonderful job opportunities, it sounds perfect. But here's the honest truth. Germany is excellent, but not for everyone. Let's break it down clearly so students and parents can make a smart decision. So hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Anigdha, and today's video I'm going to discuss about why Germany is still a top choice in 2026. So here are some of the reasons. Number one, almost free education. So Germany continues to offer zero tuition fee in most public universities. There's hardly a semester contribution of 250 to 300 euros per semester, and the total yearly cost will come about 25 to 30 lakhs including your living cost. So the cost compared to UK, which is 40 to 50 lakhs, USA, which is 60 to 80 lakhs, and the Indian private colleges that will roughly cost you 20 to 30 lakhs, Germany is still managing to give you premium education at the lowest cost possible. Number two, global ranked universities. So Germany is a hub for public universities that are worldwide renowned for its premium quality of education, which are TU Munich, RWTH Aachen, University of Stuttgart, University of Hamburg. These institutions are highly research focused. They give you good industry exposure and they are giving you globally recognized degrees as well. And these colleges are perfectly known for people who are inclined towards engineering, IT, computer science, robotics, automotive, AI and data science, business analytics. So these universities are some of the top choices in Germany. Number three is strong job market after graduation. Germany still has skilled worker shortage, huge demand for engineers and IT professions. They are still giving you 18 months of post-study work visa and easy PR pathway, which is a blue card. So the average salaries once you complete your higher education from Germany will be around 50,000 to 70,000 euros per annum. And for the engineering sector, it would be around 45,000 to 65,000 euros per annum. So the return of investment is quite high as compared to the other countries like US or Canada. Number fourth, very safe and a student-friendly lifestyle. Germany is known to be a very safe country. It has excellent public transportation, affordable healthcare, multicultural environment, travel. You can easily travel across Europe with Schengen visa as well. So students get both. They get career plus they get lifestyle benefits. But here's the reality which nobody actually talks about, that Germany is not easy or guaranteed. Number one, German language is almost mandatory to get you in Germany. Even if your course is English taught, you must know German. So the language requirement is mandatory to live in Germany or to survive in Germany. Be it related to your part-time jobs or your internship, your full-time jobs, they always prefer German language. So without B1, B2 level, student will definitely struggle in their job, and students ignoring the language face difficulties later. So this is the harsh reality of Germany. Second is tough admission process. So unlike other countries, there's no easy or direct admission in Germany. You'll have to get your APS certificate beforehand. You'll have to follow the strict documentation process. There are limited seats in the public universities. The delay, you may see a delay during the admission process, especially with the public universities. So it is very competitive and slow. Third is block account requirement. So students must show 11,208 euros, around 10 to 11 lakhs in Indian currency, block account funds yearly. So the parents must maintain or arrange these funds before the visa process in India. So I would say Germany, yes, it's 100% worth it for all students who are preparing for their higher education, only if they are prepared. It's not cheap abroad education. It is, I would say, a long-term investment in your education. If you learn German, if you choose the right university, if you choose the right course, then Germany can change your career, it can change your lifestyle, it can change you completely. And if you ignore the language, if you do not apply on time, and if you apply blindly to any universities, then you may struggle in this country. So I would say Germany is not for everyone. Again, I'm saying this, but for the right student, it could be the best decision of their life. So if you want to know whether Germany suits you the best, you can book a free counseling session with Anigdha on the contact numbers given below. Our dedicated team of counselors will contact you and will guide you throughout your admission process in Germany. I hope you have enjoyed this information. Do like, share and subscribe our channel Anigdha.